Ako na siya ipakita na ko. Pero ano ipakita niya. Ipakita ko na niya ni Kia sa kuha. So, Happy Valentine's Day, Mama and Papa. Mama's girl, Papa's girl. From Mama and Papa to Kia. Oy, nice. Oy, nice. Very good. Oy. Thank you. Sulod. Napa na sa sulod di ay? Daw? Okay, gusto ni na. Daw? Dear Mama and Papa, thank you for teaching me how to learn everything. And thank you for take care of me. You love me, Mama and Papa. Thank you for everything. I love you. Happy Valentine's Day. Thank you. Thank you. Hug ko, baby. Hug ko, baby. Very good. Ang palangga. Ay, happy Valentine's food. Love you ni Papa na. Nice, oy. Nice man-drawing ni Baby Kia. Good. Happy Valentine's Day. Wala na si Mama ha kayo. Nang laba pa si Mama ha. Sige na.